Today we will learn some simple equation to solve, but the first look they don't look like a simple equation that you are used to see it. Okay, you have learned to solve it. They don't look that usual form. Okay, but they can be reduced to the form that you are used to. Now, how to do it if this type of simple equations are there? Whenever there is a bracket, you have to first open this bracket. That means when you have to open this bracket, that means this each term has to be multiplied by this, okay, which is out of that bracket. Now 3 into x is 3x plus, this is plus and plus, plus into plus is plus, 3 3s are 9. Okay, here 2 into x is minus 2x and minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 1. Now I have to open this also, this right hand side. 5 into x is 5x and 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. Okay, now we will put together all the x term at one side and all the other constant to the other side. Okay, so this is 3x minus 2x. Now plus 9 plus 2 equals to 5x minus 25. 3x minus 2x is x and plus 9 plus 2 is plus 11. Now you have to transpose this 5x to left hand side and this will be transposed to right hand side. If we transpose this 5x to left hand side, this is plus, it will become minus sign, and here it is plus, so it will become minus when it will go to the right hand side. Okay, now x minus 5x is minus 4x and minus 25 and minus 11, that is both sign are same, so you have to add 25 plus 11 is 36 and sign is minus. And x, that means you have to divide this by 4 or rather minus 4 you can see. So minus 36 by minus 4. Minus minus will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So value of x is 9. Whenever there is a bracket, that bracket has to be opened by multiplication this way. Okay, let's take another type of equation, that is if it is now, if that equation look like this, what you can do to solve it? You have to cross multiply. That means this numerator will be multiplied by this denominator and this numerator will be multiplied by this denominator. So in the next step we will write that 7 into y minus 8 and equals to 3 into 7 minus 4. Okay. Next you have to open this bracket. So 7 into y is 7y, 7 into minus 8 it is minus 56. 3 into 7 is 21 and 3 into minus 4y is minus 12y. Now you have to put together these variables in one side and other constant to the opposite side. So minus 12y should be transposed to the left hand side and minus 56 will be transposed to the right hand side. So the next step, 7y will remain as it is. Minus 12y, when it will be transposed to the left hand side, it will become plus 12y. Okay, and 21 will remain as it is. Minus 56, when it will be transposed to right hand side, it will become plus 56. Okay, so 7y plus 12y is 19y equals to 7. Okay, so y equals to 77 by 19. 77 by 19. Okay, that is the answer. And if an equation looks like this, x by 2 minus 1 equals to x plus 3 by 4. What we have to do? First, you have to transpose to this to left hand side. So x by 2 minus x by 3, and this minus 1 will go to the right hand side. It will become plus. Now you have to subtract. The way you subtract that fraction, you have to subtract this way. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so you have to write 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into x is 3x. Okay, and minus sign. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 will be multiplied by x, so it will be 2x. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now in the numerator, 3x minus 2x is what? X. X by 6 is 5. Okay, here it is division, so when it will transpose to the right hand side, it will become multiplication. So x equals to 6 into 5 is 30. That is its solution. Okay, these are the form. If you don't understand, or if it feels like if you face difficulties, then you ask me. Otherwise, you don't have to worry. We'll again learn it in class 8. Thank you.